limits, no ceiling, might just let the roof back. Ride around the city, who's that? No sober, feel like new jack. Too real to derail and lose track. I still put the work in what I lack. I still put the feelings on wax. I still need a healing on that. Unless I'm in a suit and tie, no doubt that I ain't never seen no slack. Keep the way I'm growing intact. Look, I don't need no feedback. Clock is ticking, time's running out. So I'm shooting like T-Mac, act like I ain't never seen no bag. Cause all times I can't relapse. I just been stuck in a maze and trying to find ways. Meanwhile, been stacking LAs. In other words, lot on my plate. No picking and choosing. This ain't no typical wave. I try to tell them I'm great. They look on my records, they see that I'm making my case. I take a look around the room, I'm paying no mind. I think I'm okay out of place. Still got a smile on my face. You can't bring me down. It's looking like I levitate. I got them wrapping around. I'm lapping them now. I ain't even running a race. The outcome is coming in twos. It's winning you lose. But I know the odds are my faith. Staying low key when I move. I'm taking the rule. You can't even find it on waves. No way. Dreams on the line, I'ma chase. But the money on me like the bank. I'm making a place. Okay. Sometimes I might need an escape. But tell me who else can replace. I know that this shit's so made.
Check, 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 check.
No way. Dreams on the line, I'ma chase. But the money on me like the bank. I'm making a place. Okay. Sometimes I might need an escape. But tell me who else can replace. I know that this shit's so made.
It's so genius. Hold up, ain't no make them barriers shake the ground 'cause it's far from
Over. I'm paid to play. My inner child been chilling as an age to take. It's been 10 years that I paved the way. I built the life that I wanted. It's tailor-made. And when the things go south, I make it right. Never listen to the doubts. Gives a face to lie. I'm chilling on the cloud like my fate's aligned. It's how I live it every day in every place of time. And y'all can't take that from me. Ain't never gonna turn slave to your salary. Bigger than money every day's, that's factually. Well, I've been burning up the blaze like calories. It's only in your mind, homie. Your picture, your design, homie. It's only in your mind, homie. To hold it in your hands, you must believe.
hold up. Ain't nobody can stop you shining. There's just one limit, it's in your mind. Don't let that bullshit make you blind. 'Cause it's far from over. Now ain't nobody can take me down. Man, ready ain't going for a million round. Gon' make them barriers shake the ground. 'Cause it's far from.
And maybe when things get a little bit crazy, it's easier to just get faded.
What's up, guys? Morning.
Think about it when you waste it. But a band-aid never really heal a wound. Plus when you get shit faced, you can never read the room. Then another mistake, it will always leave the room. Gotta go through the day to see the moon. Nah, listen up, fuck this stuck sick drug shit. Tryna get wild, take much shit, I must be. I'm only fucking with shrooms and weed. I use drugs, but the drugs are never using me. Nah.
Let's look at the charts.
Your picture, your design, homie. It's only in your mind, homie. To hold it in your hands, you must believe.
Ain't nobody can stop you shining. There's just one limit, it's in your mind. Don't let that bullshit make you blind. 'Cause it's far
Is
from
it quiet to me, or
ain't nobody
maybe we're just opening in a second here?
ready ain't going for a million round. Gon' make them barriers shake the ground. 'Cause it's far from.
Okay, let's see here. Four-hour looks good. If we do close up bullish,
Fucking 9 to 5, homie. No joke.
looks like we're gonna target those tops again.
Like a diamond ring, flamboyant, catching these eyes. They asking me why. I'm all up in this game and get to do it. My answer is the players playing stupid. Let's change the movement.
See the 1 hour on the bottom there. Can't see it with my camera, but
When I'm having a show, some used to doubt that I could ever pass through the door. But then they saw me get the bag. Couple tracks in a row, my shit voodoo. I could turn you to a new you.
see if the stream's working properly.
Use you. I get to elevate your mindset, give you divine specs, hit the old you in
Sweet,
the
yeah, it
dark
is.
and intertwine yet.
Yep. I'll take a long here, more or less.
Destined for greatness, looking for the top, but we were already there. the grave than being enslaved. And trying to get lucky to be beaten
Order
the game. I
filled.
run my own shit, homie. I'm leading the change. The time my music got popping, not preaching the name. And everywhere we going, it's nothing but love. So the labels start calling cause they're loving the buzz. I gotta keep it true, never the objective lies. The ghost most ill, most real extra fly. Now I'm about to blow this thing up, thing up. If I put it out, then it's a banger, banger. Been on a mission,
Why just the NQ? Because you don't need more than that.
never gonna see me sing up. And all the realest they can testify.
Everyone wants to push
Yeah, he said for that.
more, you know? Let me put it in perspective. Let's say you got one girlfriend and she takes up all your time. Why do you want two? What if one girlfriend gives you enough that you can be perfectly satisfied, get all the kids you want, get all the sex you want, get all the date nights you want and fun times you want, and then you're like, oh, I'll just have another one as well. It makes no sense. You got no more time. We're getting a new high here. 4 hours bouncing off this as well. Where'd I get all this wisdom? Stream froze already? No, I can see it. It's not frozen. So I bought a new computer. It'll be here in like a week or two, so we're gonna be able to stream better quality. I lowered the quality to 720. Let me see here. Yeah, 720 now. I wonder if it's freezing from because I've been trading on MetaTrader. I wonder if it's freezing on MetaTrader. I'll open this. See if it freezes when I do that. No. Bias is right now it's currently long, but that changes every hour. This is not the best trade, by the way. So go super light if you're doing something like this. You wanna be able to add down. Being serious, everything I say is true. Yeah. Yeah, where do I get all my wisdom? It's just logic, man. It's all logic. I've been doing this a long time. I'm currently long, yeah. It's not the best trade. The song was, I'm listening to Mind Flip right now. This guy. He's good. Good, like, Cali rap, you know? The audio's breaking now, hey? Does, like, everything just fuck up in this stream or what? It's the Nasdaq. Says it literally on the chart, man. How do prop firms make money from funded traders? They don't. It's the cost of business. Unless you're on live funds, which does not happen on CFD firms. What do you want me to check about the audio? You don't copy trade from good traders? No, nobody does. Firm tells you they do, then they're lying to you, and you should avoid them completely. Or they honestly think that that is a good idea, which is an even bigger. I would say it's even bigger reason. Oh, that sucks. I missed that one. It's an even bigger reason to avoid them, is if they think that copy trading is profitable, which means they have no idea what they're doing. So the orb strategy, I've been over this a lot before. Orb strategy does not work well, but the reason why it kind of looks like it works is I'm going to show you something right now, okay? Let me turn down my music a bit. Okay. You guys will like this, okay? So I'm going to pull up TradingView, okay? You might want to clip this. This is why the orb strategy does not work properly, but looks like it works, okay? Is you have over here, you have the 4 hour, right? On the top left, okay? And 30 minutes after the open, the 4 hour closes, okay? So what's actually happening in an orb strategy is when the first 15-minute closes and they draw this stupid ass fucking square, right? What you're looking for is a break of that, right? Well, what happens is if it breaks it on the very next candle, which is super, super probable, generally what that means is it's going to close the 4 hour in a zone that's significant to tell you what direction it's going to go. So if this is the level, for example, okay, and I'm going to give you the exact example of today because that's what you asked for, right? This is the range for the 15-minute orb, let's say, and then it closes above, okay? The next candle closes above, okay? What does that mean? It means the 4 hour just broke structure to the upside. It just gained on the upside. If it closes below, well, what does that mean? It means, or anywhere below here, honestly, for today, it means that it failed to gain that high, assuming that it attempted already, okay? Currently, and if it closes above here, it's bullish because of the 4 hour. It's not because of the orb. When will the new PC come? Couple weeks. I live quite far away from a city, so I bought Mac M4 Pro Max, or no, Max. This is what I got. This one here. You guys are gonna be blown away. This is, I think, the top of the line laptop. I have a desktop currently, and this blows it away. I think I'm gonna have to go. I think I'm gonna have to switch to the Apple phone too. I got the Pixel. I got this one. Wait, where's M4? There's a top whatever in there. Just show me the freaking. Here we go. 16-inch space black M4, and then I upgraded the graphics card and all that jazz to be 128 gig. And then I got you guys. That's it. I'm not going to charge you nothing. Perfectly free for you. So you're going to be able to see charts in higher quality for some reason. Like that matters, right? Okay, let me see if I can fix this. See if I can fix it like live right now, because there's no way that. Oh. There you go. Is it memory? Maybe I got too many things open. Let's get rid of some of these things. I've got way too many things open, maybe. We're gonna, oh, this one's still not, I'm gonna close that too. I've got too many things open, that's why. Okay, let's see here. Is that better? Are you Canadian? Claim your. How do you claim my taxes? I'm Canadian. How do I claim my taxes? I haven't claimed my taxes. So the dumb thing about taxes is they charge you way too much, so it really incentivizes you to find legal loopholes to not have to pay them. Like, I would have to be in the highest tax bracket, but if you don't pay yourself, you don't pay taxes, right? If everything goes through businesses, right? And then what you do is you put those businesses in other countries, right? And then when you pay yourself minimums. So you're technically like don't own anything and you don't get paid anything. And then if you really want to pay yourself more, you pay yourself through like capital gains and dividends and like things like this so that you pay less taxes on those. Or you find even more loopholes. Right. So the crazy thing about taxes is if the government was actually smart, which they're just manipulative, right? They're just trying to make the common man pay more taxes, right? They don't actually care about rich people paying taxes because you can just avoid it, right? But if the government was actually smart, they would just charge a flat 10% tax, and then nobody would leave the country, right? You would keep all the money in the country, and it'd be great. Wow, this is really annoying that it hasn't hit that order, right? That would have been really nice, eh? Why do I trade with Topstep? Because I own Maven. Would you believe that the profits I made on Maven were the profits I made? Or is it better for me to use multiple prop firms? I also trade on Maven. I just closed the Maven one down right now. Manager. Let me fix this up. This is not real funds. This is a dummy account. See what I mean? Like, that says $8 million. Right? That's just a random. I just put random shit in here because I own it. Right? I'm negative 140K on that Bitcoin long. But I can do. We were trading on them, right? So I can switch back. What's the one we were using? I can't remember. Let me see. Was this the one? No, where was the one? Phase 1 something earlier. There, this is the one. So I could show you me trading on it as well, but it's the same thing, really. It's all prop firms are the same. That's why I say Maven's the best, because it's the cheapest. They're all the same. All right. Boom. Bye. There you go. Boom, buddy, boo, booty, boom. Okay, let's put it on the blockchain in 5 years. Sure. You live in Alberta, you're trying to find a broker. So first of all, make money from trading. Like, don't worry about paying taxes from trading. You actually can claim negative profits from trading. So most likely you're going to lose money. And by most likely, I mean you're going to lose money until you're like 5 years into this for sure. So for the next 5 years, you can claim negative income on your trading earnings, right? And until you start making like 6 figures, nobody gives a shit. Right? Nobody gives a shit. And then from there, they only give a shit if it's like you don't have to pay yourself, right? Open up, incorporate yourself. Boom, your business just made money. Okay, now spend it on things. Boom, it's a write-off. Now you made nothing. Why is the stream broken on YouTube only? Always. I wonder if I lower the quality on YouTube. I'm gonna leave the quality off of YouTube really low. Hopefully that helps. If it's buffering on YouTube, maybe drop the pixels or something. We'll see if we can get it to work. Drop it to like 480. I've got less than 6,000 bit rate right now. I don't know what's going on. I think my GPU might be crashing. I've had it for a while. So I want to pass this one. I need 3,000 for this. I need 3,000 today. So I should have just doubled down, right? Okay, what we're gonna do, I want to pass this one today because it's Valentine's. I think it resets on Monday, so because I didn't trade on it at all, really. It's definitely my, yeah, I've got a 1080 Ti, 7K laptop, but a GPU from. No. I don't have that laptop yet. I just bought it. It's on the way here, right? This one. This laptop is like the best machine for streaming currently on the market. That's why I bought it, right? 128 gig graphics card. My current one is like 16. I have a desktop right now. This is the one we're getting. Yeah. No, this one will be good, right? This is what I got here. I got the Nano. I got this one, unverified memory. So it's RAM and graphics card, or NC. It's all whatever, right? Goes wherever. We left that. Nice. We put it in Chinese, of course. I think that's what we got. Yeah, it's like $7 grand. Yeah, there you go. And then we gotta get a dock for it so I can easily plug it. It'll be good for travel, right? Because we'll be streaming from other countries and whatnot soon. 128 gigabyte is the RAM? No, you're wrong. Unverified memory. It's split. It can be used for both. Yeah, that's what I mean. The CPU and GPU are yeah, that's what I mean. Right? Or whatever it is. Here you go. 40 core, whatever it is. I don't know, dude. I know it's split somehow and it's really, really strong. I forget the nerd shit. Maybe I'm getting them confused. Maybe this is the RAM and then this is the 16 core CPU. That's gay. I want 128 core. I'll do an unboxing when we get it. Set up stream. Okay, we making money yet or what? Fucking hell. Watch me start new content with DMC. If you make is you gotta post good TikToks or Instagrams or whatever. That's it. And then I just pick good ones that have to do with Maven or DMC or something like that. Yeah. That's it. Some people are really, really good. Some people are like blowing up their accounts. It's great. What do I trade in? What do you mean? A miniature. I trade inside. Did everyone take Valentine's Day off? Is that the deal? Maven's not the cheapest firm now? Okay, tell me which one is. Let me know which firm has a $15 account, say. Or give me one that's got a $22 two-step 5K that actually pays. No, 15 total, not per month. That's what you pay one time. They're refundable too. There's no other firm that has the reputation of Maven that is this low price. This is half the price of every other firm in the same weight class. Most firms charge $40 for this. Why? It's a Forex brokerage, right? That's what it is. Prices, very small profit margins. We focus on extremely high volume and then pay ours nothing. Whereas most other firm owners want to live lavish, luxurious lives. This is the most expensive thing I have, is my desktop. And that's for streaming. How many years of experience trading? 12 or 13? 12. No Lambo, exactly. I have a broken down Jeep that has transmission issues and a crooked steering wheel. I have no reason to have a car other than to get to town, right? I don't spend money on things that don't make Maven more money, right? And that's the model. How can we afford it? Is because we're not fucking greedy like every single other person in business. We're here forever, you know. I don't give a shit about any more money. What happened to the Jag? Got rid of it. Too expensive. Okay, 4 hours about to close. Let's pull it up. And I know they're going to fail both sides, right? Did you see the top left here? They're going to fail both sides, I'm sure of it. So they bounce off that, and then they're going to fail this side. It's a 2 hour. I guess TikTok can't see as much. So the 4, right? This will be the 4, 2.
Order filled.
I'm gonna add to it. I want to pass that challenge. So now, when you're trading on Maven or a CFD firm, you don't need to use the same strategies. There's different strategies. You can go slow because there's no reoccurring fees. There's no reason to churn. But when you're on futures, you generally want to churn and go faster pace, you know. Nice. Bitcoin trades are finally in profit. Let's look at so I did take some Bitcoin longs back here right into this area. So Bitcoin longs look good because the weekly, right? I'd love to see. That's a nice failed to lose there. Bitcoin's looking okay now, eh? It's looking okay. Hopefully we can get above that and then continue. Gold's finally dumping a bit, eh? But no concern yet. Structure's still strong. Very good. Okay, I want to pass this. Where did I want to buy? I wanted to buy off of this level here.
Order filled.
Okay, sweet. That's what I want. I want 3,000. Okay, I'm happy with that then. Let's see if we can hit it. We literally only need 3,000. There you go. We'll see. Should bounce right here. Hopefully, where do we lose? We lose here. Okay. Probability. Right. Most profitable trader. That's it, bro. Let's see how much exactly I need to pass, right? I don't know why I have these things blurred. Makes no sense, but I'm just going to show you anyways. 6,000. I need 9,000, right? So I need... What was it? 27? Yeah. 9,000 minus 6,027. That's the one. So yeah, there you go. You need 3,000. So we'll do this. 3,000. There you go. 75% chance. World's best trader. There you go. Yeah, free accounts inside the Maven Discord. If you want to try. Did I add to this trade on my other account? I don't think so. There we go. Sweet. And I added on this one, right? No, I didn't add to that. Let's just do that. And the reason so I'm doing this on my MetaTrader and Maven at the same time. I'm just watching this one because this is the one that's more fun to watch. This is the better UI, right? I don't like Match Trade as much as Project X, and MetaTrader is the worst UI I've ever seen in my life. So I prefer to watch that. I actually prefer TradingView, but TradingView doesn't tell me how much profit we're in. So that's why we're on this chart, okay? That's why we're always watching the top step chart. We could watch this, but it's like not as interactive for the stream, okay? Just because somebody told you to shoot for 3 to 1 because that's going to make you more money. No, the longer your risk reward, the less likely you're going to hit your profit. And that's just statistically proven. Have I blown prop firm's account before? Yes, of course. So what you want to do is shoot for the most probable that makes sense, okay? So your risk reward does not matter. Right, my risk reward here is whatever it is. Like I'm gonna blow the account or I'm gonna pass it immediately right now. This is the final trade of the challenge, right? The final one. I'm either gonna hit this or I'm gonna blow it, and I'm not adding anymore. This is it. That's the trade. So I feel safe that it's super unlikely to come down here compared to here. It's 75% chance that I'm gonna pass right now. That's my rough estimate, okay? Why? Bounce on the 4. 1 hour gained. Right? This is the level that we bought off of. Okay? Pass through on the 1 hour. Okay? The 2 hour, also showing similar things. 15-minute. Okay? But this is the wick that I'd lose on. Right? So in reality is if you want to have a risk reward, this is the trade. Okay? That's the trade. I just don't use stop losses. Okay? But like I said, 75% chance, baby! Valentine's Day is going to be good. How long did it take you to pass a 100K challenge? Depends. 1 week, basically. I took one loss. One major loss here. Okay. And I had to make up for that, essentially. So take about a week. How fast do you get funded after passing a Val and topstep? It's instant. Just like most firms. So this is already tested, right? So it's gonna go higher, right? You could be worried that it's gonna reject here, but it's already tested, so it's super unlikely. Right. So we're probably gonna go higher than this, honestly. But that's all I need. Right? That's literally all I need right there. I'm pretty sure. Let's go, baby. Valentine's Day is beautiful. There you go. Boom. Pass the challenge. Take a screenshot. Show Twitter. Okay. Sweet. That's it. That's it, guys. Okay, I'm closing out the trades on my other account. Boom, boom. You see how it's rejecting now? It's because I'm taking profit. That's why. Any advice for new traders? Don't listen to people. Just lie to you, okay? When it goes against me, like, I mean, I guess you need some fucking grace with this, right? But that's why I said, okay, down here, I'd be willing to let it go down that far, okay? If it's going against me, I'm doing nothing, okay? I'm just letting it ride. I have my strategy, and I'm not gonna listen to myself, because myself tries to fuck me all the time. Myself is my biggest critic, you know? Now you see the market different. Ian, man, I think I've seen you around. Good to have you here. Follow all my YouTube, eh? So, if you guys really want to learn, this is the YouTube, right? I'm teaching exactly what I do for free. There's a course there that I've been releasing, all for free. I will never charge you for anything, okay? I don't need your money. Your $100, $200 for a course is meaningless to me, okay? I much prefer being famous and having fun. I much prefer having a reputation of being the guy that helps people rather than having more money. I don't want more money. I'm happy. I have my broken down Jeep. I have some peacocks and a view. You know what I mean? I can afford nice food. I'm going to take out the girl for a nice dinner. You know, I can do all the things I want to do. I have the life that is perfect to me right now. I'm having a hard time holding my trades longer. I can only get out with 10 to 25 points. What do you recommend? Honest, this is gonna sound crazy. I don't know how long 25 points is. I've never done that before. I only care about how much money I make. So like, I don't even know how far that is. Is this 25 points? No, that must be. You must be saying 250 points, right? Like this, right? Like that, right? Like I don't know how far that is. So like that's basically what we just did. So why do you need more than that? Like unless you're Like, unless you're saying this, like 20, what is this? Like, you can only do that. That makes no sense. What do you enter it and close immediately? Do I answer messages in TikTok? Yeah. Oh, TikTok inbox, 0 chance. You will never contact me. The only way that you can contact me is from the live streams because I'm making entertainment right now. Yeah, just if you can't hold that long, then there's a couple issues could be happening. One, you care too much, right? You're too invested, right? So you need to think about it like this. Instead of thinking about it, hey, I just made $3,000, I just did nothing, right? All I did, I'm turning on a prop firm account. All I did was pass a test, which I had already paid for. That's it. So when you go to buy a challenge, okay, you've paid for the challenge. Now the challenge is paid for and it's meaningless to you. You already assume you've lost it. So all, I swear, my guys. I have too many things open. What's taking up all my memory? It's taking up all my memory, eh? Maybe I got a memory leak or something. Leaking out, baby. What do I got open here? I got YouTube thing open. Okay, guys. Do I still think it's bullish now? Yeah, probably, yeah. I just don't need more than that. That's a decent day. What you want to do, because that's pretty much like what we were searching for anyways. But going forward on the day is you were looking for the new high, right? And that was pretty obvious the new high was going to happen, right, after that bounce. Honestly, that might have been like a higher than 75% chance. I just say 75, like I'm just guessing. This is a really, really high probability setup that I played. But I don't know, maybe all of my setups are high probability because I don't think I'm ever wrong. This was the target exactly, and it just happened to line up with $3,000, right? So I would have added a 5th contract if it didn't, but that's what we wanted to hit. But it's probably still bullish, maybe. We'll see. Like, I'm not honestly too sure. About 50-50, but I would have to guess bullish overall. You need to wait for the next close, really. Because the 1 hour could fail here, right? That's my day, guys. I think I got some meetings to go to. Yeah, sweet. I got some meetings. I'll see you guys next week. Have a good weekend. Let me see if there's any more questions in the last second here. I used to use SMC, randomly came across dumb money concepts, and it works amazing. You're right. It works amazing. Maybe I shouldn't be teaching this to you guys. Tell me how you find a meme coin? No. I don't know how to. How many accounts have I blown? Total? Like 5. In my lifetime, like 5. Or like, I guess I only started doing this for like the past year, but probably about 5 or so. Less than 10. And how many payouts have I gotten? Maybe about 7. Maybe about 7. I've only traded prop firms for the past like 4 months or so. And then I did a couple in spring as well. So I did 3 months in spring and then I did 3 months in fall. And then now this is the new year. So that was all I did last year. Let me find it. I've gotten more payouts than I've blown accounts. Yeah. Challenges?
then I fail. It's about 50-50. About 50% of the challenges I pass. But then of the ones that are funded, each of those averages 2 or 3 payouts, right? So I've only gotten that makes sense. I don't know the exact numbers, but and then so I literally just got a payout from this one. That's why I'm not trading this one right now. I literally just got a second payout on this account, right? So we just withdrew it this morning. So that's why I was trading on this one. So this is gonna be my so I failed this one, by the way. There's one that I failed. I think this is my like third. Oh, sorry, this one that we just passed. I think this is like the 3rd or 4th funded account that I've had. That's a good week though, eh? $10,000. Took a screenshot of that. It's a good week. Okay, I gotta go, guys. Can you explain another time why you take so long to do what? You think a week is a long time to pass a challenge? The reason why I took so long to pass certain challenges was because I was showing you guys how to do it. Right? It's for your sake. Right? Like me withdrawing, you know, $1,000, $2,000, you know, every couple weeks is not a huge deal. I mean, I guess I could have like 5 accounts or something and then make it like, you know, you'd make an extra 10K a month or something. But then I'm taking away focus from working on Maven, right? If I care too much, like another 10K a month is like a pretty decent amount of money, right? And that'd probably be about the pinnacle. Helpful. Yeah. Yeah, I continue. I do this every single day. Okay. Alright, guys. How many challenges didn't you pass? I already answered that. Okay. Ciao. See you guys next week.
Now that's for my peak, working late night, flipping them packs and selling some shit. Working an ass of getting that tip, I swear we gon' make it. If you ain't doing what you feel, then you don't live like, nah. I swear we gon' make it. Look at the top of this, where we belong. I swear we gon'